Connection or excitement? The deep roots of disconnection and the substitutes we create. Once we see how money can numb us, we begin to ask what it was trying to replace. Depth psychology shows that our capacity for connection is shaped early. When infants experience reliable love, they grow to trust closeness and connection. When that bond is absent, we learn to substitute excitement. As children, we seek candy, toys, and stimulation. As adults, we chase achievement, control, and the next success. Excitement isn't wrong, it's just incomplete. When it becomes our fuel, we live externally rich, but internally restless or empty. Money then becomes one more stimulant, a way to feel alive without risking intimacy. The invitation is gentle. Rediscover passion inside, connection. When generosity expands organically, abundance begins to serve wholeness instead of feeding emptiness. With your wisest voice that you can muster, where in your life has stimulation taken the place of genuine connection?